how to help your child with autism or ADHD and daily routines. 9 things to do on this one. You need to develop a consistent daily routine and stick to it as much as possible because your child needs to start to get the practice of what's happening in their day. Here's my favorite. Use visual aids. These visual schedules and calendars will help your child understand and organize their daily routine. The third one is to break down tasks and activities into smaller, manageable steps. It makes it so achievable for your child, and they all want to do the right thing. The fourth thing is to use positive reinforcement and rewards for completing tasks and following the routine. So use your verbals. I can see you doing a great job working on this and getting ready for the next thing. Number 5 is to use their sensory friendly activities and accommodations into their daily routine. So give them a chance to run off that steam, to have some busy time before they have brain time. Number 6 is to allow flexibility in their routine and then adjust accordingly. Don't make it all exactly the same. It becomes a military campaign, and that is not what we want for your child. Number 7 is to involve your child. It's so empowering when your child has a voice to use, what they like, how they like it. They will really take on the task of their daily routine when they have a say in what's happening. Number 8 is to consistently reinforce and review the routine with your child. Go through it with them, what works, what doesn't, what are they finding hard. If they are always meltdowning after lunch, then what can you do to make that easier for them? Number 9, the last one, is to seek and develop support to develop this daily routine. So make sure it's tailored to your child's special needs that they have, and then look for people to help you with that. You've got this.